Good day. My name is Fray Alonso Perez. My present step 3 identify economic value. Tutor Ingrid Tatiana Gomez. Lack of information on production costs. Causes. Not enough information on the production forms. Lack of information on the licensing costs and transfer agreements for similar to a note. Limited information on technology assessment and process, lack of specialized personnel, lack of quality information, consequence, but value technology, there is no maturity and technologies, low skill levels in technological value, and it is bear cost to the high especially technical very work in my personal compatible or providing technological value. Recommendation. We wear USB codes accounting we wear information systems that allow recording, determining, accumulating, analyzing, interpreting, controlling, and reporting the cost on production, distribution, and demonstration and financing. The cost determination is like activities and big profit and thus the result loss therefore with individual performance tax with precision is possible creating strategic action plans and with focusing efforts on hubs the mind and generate the desired income. Thank you for your attention.